Today we're going to learn how to install NetBeans. First thing is, I'm going to go to the website. So I'm going to show you from basicprogramming.tips. So we're going to go to installing NetBeans. Right, and right here we're going to see the link. I'm going to click on it. And we're going to select, we're going to install it now on a Mac. So we're going to select the one that says MacOS X x64. So we're going to accept the license and agreement, and then select the one that says MacOS X. It's going to download. We're going to have to wait until the download is over, and then we should be able to install it. Right, I'm going to click here, open when done. So the installer opens once we get it, once it's downloaded completely. Okay, it's opening right there. We double click the file, and then we just set up the all the default settings. Hit install. I don't have any passwords, so I'm just going to install software. It's already installed. We hit close. We could move the installer to the trash if we don't need it anymore. So we're just going to do that. And we're going to get it over here. We're going to go to Go, Applications, and we find our new application here. It's going to be inside this folder. We're going to open it, double click it. As it's opening, like as we said, we recommend to put it on the dock, just leave it there. So you're going to right click it, go to options, and select keep in dock. And now we have NetBeans installed.